Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's question is: which of the following best describes quaternary structure of the protein? Take a look at this picture. Basically, it lists all the structures that protein chain can take. For example, let's start with the end of this list, the polypeptide chain, complete 3D structure, and this is going to be description of the tertiary structure of the protein, three-dimensional folding pattern of the protein due to side chain reaction. So this is wrong answer, and this is going to be tertiary structure. And next variant from the end would be the sequence of nucleic acids, and this is exactly what we see in primary protein structure. It's just a sequence of chain of amino acids. So answer D is example of the primary structure. Now let's check answer C, the 4 parts of the protein's amino acid sequence. This description is just too vague. We can apply 4 parts to actually any of these structures: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. So we just have to ignore this variant. Variant B, layout of the alpha helixes and beta sheets, and this is example of the secondary protein structure where hydrogen bonding of the peptide backbone cause the amino acid fold into the repeating pattern with the alpha helixes or beta-pleated sheets. So this is example of the secondary structure. And now we have only one answer left: how polypeptide chains fit together. A key word here is going to be chains. The plural form tells us that we have here multiple polypeptide chains, and this is exact description of quaternary protein structure, which is protein consisting of more than one amino acid chain. So the correct answer is answer A. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.